Hello and welcome to English Time YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 easy and useful English to Urdu sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. Goom jao, turn around, turn around. Kana lao, bring food, bring food. राब्ते में रहना, stay connected, stay connected. चलो मिलते हैं, let's meet, let's meet. फिर से सोचना, think again, think again. छोड़ देना, leave it, leave it. दोबारा सोचो, think twice, think twice. इसे ख़त्म करो, finish it, finish it. कोई मसला नहीं, no problem, no problem. आपकी बारी, your turn, your turn. ये तो अच्छी बात है, that's wonderful, that's wonderful. दूसरों को तंग ना करो, don't disturb others, don't disturb others. क्या आप समझे हैं? Did you get it? Did you get it? So thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.